Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to recover, if you have already deactivated your uh, store, you can recover it easily by connecting to your account and then go to your store. So after going to your store, your Shopify will require you only to create or to your plan. So basically, you will need just to choose a plan and pay for it. And if you have some payments due or you didn't already see or that you didn't already uh, paid, you will need just to pay all your fees or anything that you have in your billing or in your balance, and after that you will be able to connect to your store. Otherwise, if there was some other problems, you can simply go to the help center, and after that you can start contacting the support. So basically you can find here contact support at the end of the page. You click on contact support, and then I can connect you to a support advisor. Can you share what you need and to give them the reason. So simply just tell them I want to restore my account or my store, or I want to recover my store, and then you can start talking with the support assistant and tell them your problem exactly, and make sure to give them as much details as possible so they can recover your store, and they can recover also your data if it has been stored in their databases, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.